Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can change your channel name in your Slack workspace without any extra effort or technical skills whatsoever. So let us get started, I'd argue. So what you want to do, guys, is simply head over to your Slack workspace here in the top left corner and pick the channel from that list here below on the left panel you would like to customize and edit. So let me go with that one here for demonstration purposes. Left click on it to select it. And what you want to do is simply click on the channel name here at the top to open up the channel settings here. And here what you want to do, guys, in the About tab or section is simply click on Edit here next to your channel name and apply or assign a new channel name here. Bear in mind though that you have only up to 80 characters left for that name. And once you're done, guys, simply click on Save Changes here to save these changes, and that's basically it. These changes will then be applied instantaneously. So that's it, guys. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.